Hi everybody, this is the drawing for the multi-tool giveaway. Once again, I'll do second place first. First place goes second. The person who picks first place will have a choice of either the Skeleton or the Guppy. The second place winner will take whichever remains. Both are very good knives. But one with CRKT, one with Leatherman, so both very good companies. So I'm going to do a quick review here of the numbers assigned to each participating commenter, and I'm going to simply go in and do the random.org and we will see who wins. Alright, let's hope this works. This has not been very easy to focus, but I think I finally got it. So here's my list. I believe there's a little over 50, a little under 60 participants. I believe. So there we go, 57 participants. And now we'll do the random.org drawing. Alright, I am going to do the random.org drawing, and we have exactly 57 participants in the giveaway. So I'll zoom in so you can actually see what comes up here. Alright, we're going to go 1 through 57. We're going to generate the first number, and the first number will be the second place winner. So I'm now generating the second place winner's number. And once again, you will, as second place, you will get either the Guppy or the Leatherman Skeleton based on the first place choice. Generating. Number is 34. The second place winner is 34. And I believe, hope this will focus. Jersey Digmore. The second place winner is Jersey Digmore. I will notify you and let you know to send me some shipping information. Jersey Digmore. Alright, now we're going to make the second choice. 1 through 57. So if 34 is picked again, we will respin. So it'll be a different choice. So I'm going to generate another number here. Alright, we have number 10. The second choice, and this is the first place. The first place winner is number 10, and number 10 is, well, thanks a lot. You decided you're going to focus this time. Number 10 is Hunting Gold. So the first place winner is Hunting Gold, and the second place winner is Jersey Digmore. I want to thank everybody for participating. Hopefully there'll be another milestone soon, and I can give you maybe have another giveaway in the not too distant future. And anyway, I will talk to you later, and everybody have a wonderful day.